Okay, so this is my 1985 Kawasaki KLT three-wheeler, 160 cc's with a pull start. I've done I put a new spark plug in, and I rethreaded the threads on the cylinder head, and it still doesn't start. I don't know if there's low compression or anything. I've tried to spray starting fluid in the carb. I took the carb off, I sprayed it in there. I took the spark plug out, I sprayed some directly into the engine and put the spark plug back in. There's still not running. It does have spark though, so I'm gonna let you listen to it. I don't know why it's not starting. There might be low compression, or one of the valves might be bent. I'm not sure. Let me know what you think.